No. Well, the easiest. Fucking lazy people. What's that?
The shovel.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need the shovel. Good idea. Alright, we're gonna make a little trip over to John's house. Do a little shoveling. Maybe do a little filming. So, yeah, look, the car's dug out. So we'll meet up with you all later. There it is, our street. Totally covered in snow, and it's still coming down. Oh my.
Hey now.
There's nothing happening up there. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Plows are out in full effect today. And we're the best plow on the block. What's that?
I say, are you shoveling snow to make a couple bucks?
I gotta go shovel mine in the yard first.
Oh.
Yeah, we're on a mission. This is like punishment. We must have been bad humans. This guy's got it. It's making a business proposition. Besides, we're reporters.
Yeah, hold on. Let's see how the proposition works out.
How much do you charge, he says? How about 50 bucks? 50 bucks? We'll prorate it.
Well, I was hoping you back up in there. I mean, pull forward. That's pulling that.
Alright, see you later. Alright, here's the hard worker. This is what's left of our trip here at 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
There's lots of snow here.
Watch out, John.
I'm gonna get hit. Hey, come through, buddy.
Detailed sketch. Takes a lot of time and effort. Handicapped wanted to go to the post office.
I know, for real, they're not worried about that. Well, here's Uptown Pitman, here's the post office. This is deep snow. This isn't like, hi, it was snow and then rain. This is like, we came here to stay. I hope you made room in the cupboard. Yeah, we had to get new batteries, by the way. The ones that you put in, I don't know, they were just beat. And still lunatics want to drive on the road. I mean, that's crazy. This guy's gonna like nail someone.
Yeah, we better watch out. Somebody doesn't slide off the road and hit us.
That'd be nice. Woohoo! Stop. Hey Pitman, Christmas is over. Jesus, it's almost my birthday. It's a little blurry. There we go. I guess I can't keep up with me as I walk, unless I walk slower. Oh, I don't want to get plowed, man. Jeez. Just slow down a little bit. Pitman Jewelers.
Bag chair I want.
What's that?
They're in there.
Look at how high the snow is. And the Hulk with his ski mask on. Oh man, I'll tell you. Pitman is at a slow crawl. We get a 20-degree shot. I don't know if we messed up or not. We got the time. 5:46. Couple of psychomaniacs.
They just waved.
Hi. See you later.
We're reporting.
And you're under arrest.
News and World Report.
This thing's blurry. Sorry about the picture.
Just run.
What's up, guys? How you feel about the snow?
Yo.
Yo, have a good day. Thanks for the comment. We're live at nighttime.
I'm going towards the Patton house.
I tell you, it's not very warm out here.
It's getting foggy now since I started recording.
Could be
I zoomed out and now it's cool. Could have been the wind or...
Try zooming back on it, because that could keep it in focus.
Let me back up to about normal. Take a look out there at the tree. Can't see shit on
The
the
baseball
sky.
field.
Huh?
It's a baseball field.
Huh. Slowly. There's the batting cages. Can't really... Well, there we go. Zoom in. Nothing else is a Pepsi. Alright. Why do people have to always have their Christmas trees up after New Year's? Yeah, that's not right.
Those are too lazy to put them down.
I mean,
Where are they going to put it now?
those people
Snow.
have problems. Serious mental problems.
There we go. The heart and soul of the operation. Doing a good job, boys. Good job. You're fired. You didn't do my street.
That was an electrical tool.
Oh, who cares? You didn't do anything for me today. Well, here's a street from the other direction. This thing has problems focusing on long distance.
Eventually it just focuses in now.
Oh well. We'll go off for now.
That cat was real.
Oh man. He's like a ghost. Can't even see him. Ah, I can't even see him. This thing's so out of focus.